How to enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone on YouTube. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, simply tap on general. Inside general, scroll below, then simply tap on picture-in-picture. Right over here, make sure start PiP automatically button is turned on. This allows videos and FaceTimes to continue playing when you exit an app. Now next, some app require you to turn on picture-in-picture inside the app itself. So open up YouTube. Inside here, log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the U icon. Now tap on the square-like icon. Inside here, you want to make sure you tap on General. And just like that, you will be able to find picture-in-picture option inside here. Make sure that you turn on that settings. And just like that, you can play any video and then swipe up or exit the app. Your video will now continue playing in small floating windows and you can move it around, resize or swipe it off the screen. But make sure to do that you have YouTube Premium because this feature on YouTube is only available on premium versions. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.